Struggling with A-level bio? This guide breaks it all down. Real scenarios step by step, get top marks.
How to crack A-level biology scenario questions. A-level biology items test your ability to understand a real situation, analyze data, connect topics, and explain mechanisms. Let us use the Mukono cassava-rabbit case to learn how to approach any scenario question. First, pause the video and read through the scenario and data table, then we continue. As you read, the scenario and data. A new biology textbook has been released called Self-Study A-Level Biology. Start by understanding the scenario clearly. Scenario summary, ask yourself first. A farmer feeds wilted cassava leaves to rabbits. Rabbits collapse within minutes. Bright red venous blood, ATP drops, NADH accumulates, brain and heart damaged, sodium thiosulfate saves some rabbits. Key clues in the question: wilted cassava leaves, rapid collapse within minutes, bright red venous blood, no lung obstruction, NADH accumulation, low ATP production, brain and heart most affected. Ask yourself, what is happening? Acute poisoning affecting respiration. Which system is involved? Cellular respiration, mitochondria. Which topics or concepts are tested? Plant toxins, poisons, plus respiration, plus enzymes, plus energy, plus homeostasis. Understanding the story prevents guessing. Link ideas from different biology topics. This item is not one topic. It combines several. Analyze that biological link for each parameter. Key connection chain. Cassava toxin inhibits respiration, no use of oxygen. Oxygen returns via veins, no ATP leading to organ failure. This linking skill helps you unlock complex questions. Read, compare, and use data properly. Look at the table carefully. How to analyze. Breathing rate increases. Body trying to compensate. ATP decreases drastically, leading to energy crisis. NADH increases. This means electrons are not passed to oxygen. Survival rate reduces, which confirms severity. Never describe data alone, always explain biologically. Explain using clear biological mechanisms. Avoid one-line answers. Explain step by step. Model explanation. Cassava leaves contain cyanide. Cyanide inhibits cytochrome oxidase in the electron transport chain. As a result, electrons cannot be transferred to oxygen. NADH accumulates because it cannot be oxidized back to NAD+. Oxidative phosphorylation stops, leading to a sharp fall in ATP production. High-energy organs like the brain and heart fail first, causing collapse and death. This is how examiners or scorers award full marks. Apply knowledge to new situations. Now stretch your thinking. What if oxygen was present but still not used? Respiratory poison. What if only lungs were damaged? Different mechanism. Why were rabbits given water plus sodium thiosulfate saved? Detoxification reaction. This prepares you for unfamiliar exam items. Use evidence and scientific reasoning. Strong answers always include data plus explanation. Example: ATP concentration fell from 5.5 to 0.2, showing failure of oxidative phosphorylation. At the same time, NADH increased from 0.3 to 2.1, confirming blockage of the electron transport chain. That is scientific justification, not opinion. Suggest realistic biology-based solutions. If asked for recommendations, proper processing of cassava leaves. Avoid feeding wilted cassava to animals. Use antidotes like sodium thiosulfate. Biological reason. Cyanide is released during wilting. Thiosulfate helps detoxify cyanide to thiocyanate. Avoid vague answers like, handle food carefully. Each recommendation has to be explained. Review your answer, like an examiner. After answering, ask, did I identify the toxin and system affected? Did I explain the mechanism clearly? Did I use the data? Did I link back to the question? Self-checking improves scores fast. Use a clear answer structure. For long answers, always right, main idea. Cyanide poisoning mechanism, inhibition of electron transport data. Conclusion, death due to energy failure. This structure makes your answer easy to mark and hard to ignore. Final message to students. You will excel in A-level biology if you understand the scenario, connect multiple topics, analyze data confidently, explain mechanisms clearly, use evidence, practice regularly. Biology is not about cramming. It is about thinking like a scientist.